Hello, good morning everybody. I would like to show you today, I was going to my office today and I've seen a live captured view in St. James Park. Look at the parrots. They're having fruit here, natural way, guys. Sorry, I'm just feeling irritated in my throat today, but you could see how beautiful is it. Wow guys, so beautiful. Look at this parrot. It's not afraid at all. So it's so beautiful. I've seen first time this close any parrot, open and clear. Another one, as you could see. Wow. I hope you will love this video. Look at this. It's having a apple in the morning, as you could see, and this one is also taking apple. That's really beautiful. So as you could see the full shot, and I will upload this video same day today. I'm just going to my office now and then I will see it. As you could see, so beautiful. It is in St. James Park. A lot of parrots opening they're really open, as you could see guys. Look at this, how beautiful is it? As you could see guys, I hope you will enjoy it. Please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Shaz London Vlogs, and please share my video with your family, with your friends. That's the most beautiful video I've made today in St. James Park while I was off to my work. Lot of beautiful views here. Oh, that's cute. Look at this, how beautiful is it? And I'm just going to finish the video now soon. So please, again, I will ask you to subscribe my channel if you can. And hope you will like the videos. And see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.